Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MassMutual for policy servicing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with MassMutual, navigate to their official website. Once on the home page, locate the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. Here, you will see options for both customers and financial professionals. Select the appropriate option that suits your needs. If you are a customer, click on Customers. Now, enter your username in the designated field. Below the username field, input your password securely. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. After filling in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your policy dashboard. In case of any errors, ensure your information is accurate and try again. Once logged in, you can access various services such as viewing policy details and making payments. If you need to authenticate your identity further, look for additional security prompts. Follow the instructions provided for two-factor authentication if applicable. You may receive a verification code via email or text message. Enter the code in the space provided to proceed. After successful authentication, you will have full access to your policy servicing options. Take your time to explore the dashboard for any specific services you may need. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MassMutual customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.